Hello, let's introduce the MKE Cell Smear Centrifuge XJ-8 for you. First of all, we demonstrate the placement of the cell smear. We put the paper in the front and the glass in the back. Then put it vertically into the rotor. The best result is to put all 12 holes. Well, if you don't have that many, you should put 3 in there, because it's important to keep the weight balanced. Keep the chamber clean and clear of debris. Then close the door. After the rear power cord is connected, press the red power switch on the left side of the machine. The default display on the left is the rotational speed. The right side is the centrifugation time. The lower buttons can be adjusted directly. Decrease downward, up to increase. To switch to centrifugal force, press this blue button. The centrifugal force is 1315. Use these two buttons to adjust the centrifugal time. The minimum time is 1 minute. Then after all the parameters are set, you can press the start button to centrifuge. This is the stop button. When the centrifugation is complete, you can open the door. Welcome your inquiry for more details.